Good morning, dear students. I know the times are hard, it is difficult, but still, during this lockdown, we people will have to come out of it with our zeal, enthusiasm, and lots of positivity. In the series of moral talks every day, I would like you to be very positive and optimistic. This time, too shall pass. So here I would like to share something with you, and that is about that nothing succeeds like success. People, they do tell the stories which are already successful. They do tell the stories which are already in the limelight. And here, during this hard time also, we have many people, many examples all around us which have really set the country and the people going. So here I would like to take the example of this little girl, a 15-year-old girl Jyoti, who had gone almost for 1200 kilometers on a cycle with her father, who was handicapped and sick too. A girl who was based in Gurgaon during this period, she had to go back to her village in Bihar, and she decided that she had to go somehow. And look at the zeal of this girl, that how she was moving. And being a girl, she said that I had this reservation in my mind that I could not travel at night, I could not drive at night, I mean cycle at night. So she had to stay at odd places too. And ultimately, when she had reached, she became a star overnight. People, NGOs are coming forward just to lend their hand for her education, for her support, not only financially but also they are giving a lot of emotional support to the girl. She had become one of the stars for the federation of cycling federation, and she is working on it, and she says I need to first of all do my class 10th. So what I want to tell you through this incident is that we have to find out the ways, even in the hard times, tough times, the things they are sorted out. But for that sorting out, we need to be very positive. We need to be we need to have that dogged determination. We need to have that killer's instinct in us, because life is real, life is really earnest, but the grave is not going to be its goal. So we don't have to give up. Whatever the odd circumstances we have to follow, we will have to fight. And that fighting spirit must always be there. And when we are fighting, of course, we are learning every step. Every step is teaching us something. Every moment is teaching us something. Like now we have realized that what is important. Luxuries were important few months back, but today only the essentials and the basic things like food, like shelter, only these things are important. Even the hospitals, which were normally full with the patients, they are all empty. The malls, the shops, the markets, which were flooded around by the people, there is hardly anyone seen during this period. So, what we need to do is involve yourself with your family. Your family is important. We people are working on it that your studies should also not suffer during this time. We are making all the plans that every one of you, each one of you, should at least get the passing marks. Reason being, because all the students, especially for the board classes, we need to really work on you. And this is the spirit which we will have to share and which we will have to show. Maybe you may have a story to tell to the next generation that yes, I was the one who passed in 2020. I was the one during that period when, for the half of the session, almost half of the session, the school did not open. It was the time when we learned online learning. Like we are also learning online teaching for the first time. When I'm giving you this kind of a talk, I don't know whether you are listening or not, because we are in the habit of looking at your faces and then giving our best. But yes, we have to fight all these things. And I know we all will be able to come out of it. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you very much. I love you all. God bless.